Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS display, and right now we'll be discussing about display of none in HTML CSS. When you specify display property along with none value, this is commonly used with JavaScript to hide and show elements without deleting and recreating them. The script element uses display of none as default. So I'm going to show you some scope on this also when we get there. Though before I go, let me firstly show you something. Let's say for instance, previously I created a bunch of table. I created a very big table. Let me show you the table if I can still find it. Yes, I can still find it here. This big table, I hide it, but you can't see it. The reason why you can't see it is because I hide it. So the reason why, where did I hide it? Here is the place I kept the thing. I kept display none here. So if I remove this display none here now, you are going to see the thing I'm talking about. When I comment it out now, when I reload my document, you are going to see what will happen. Can you see? Now you are able to see the table again. Can you see? So I'm going to be discussing about this also when we get there. Please, I want you guys to please stay focused and stay put. We still have a lot of things to show each other here. And what akorede affects many once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much.